Hey everyone, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix, and we're gonna draw a toad.
That's right, today we're gonna draw a Toad from Super Mario. Let's get to it.
Let's get to it.
Whoa. All right, the first thing we're gonna do with Toad is we're gonna do his two eyes. So with his eyes, they're kind of like oblong raisins. So in the center of the page, one raisin, two raisins. And with at the top of the raisins, you wanna draw a little circle like so. These are the highlights, and then as you know, underneath, color in this in black. So they're kind of like raisins with white holes in the top. You like raisins?
No.
Why not? Raisins are very good for you. All right, the next thing is Toad. He's a happy dude. He's always smiling. He's always cheerful. So we're gonna do his smile. So you wanna do one cheeky smile like a U like that. And that's it. Toad's done. No?
No.
It's not? Oh, okay. Maybe he's Toad in some smoke. He's like, this is a very cloudy day. No, only joking. All right, so the next step is we want to do one little curve here with his cheeky face on that side. It's kind of like a sideways U and another U here. And then we want to do his big smile. So it's going to be a big U that dips down like so and comes all the way in like that. Look how happy this guy is. Gosh. And then we're going to do his tongue inside the U, so it's kind of like a heel, like that. Now, the next step is we're going to do like the top of his head here, so where he's got the mushroom head. So what we want to do is we want to do sort of a kind of a curved line like this, like a heel. At the moment, he kind of looks a little bit like a Pac-Man. If you were to draw a big circle there, he'd be Pac-Man mushroom. Now, what we want to do is we want to do a U that comes down here and goes around there. It forms the shape of his face. So we're going to go down, U, and around, and up. That's it. Oh, I like it, Phoenix. Very, very good. Okay, so the next step is we're going to draw Toad's mushroom head. Now, make sure you leave enough room at the top of your page for this. I feel like I haven't. I think Phoenix has got enough room, but we'll see how we go. So this is basically just a circle that goes up, hugs the top of the page, goes all the way down, and comes in. Oh, I like it. I like that, Phoenix. It's very good. Now, on Toad's head, he's got a white background, but he's got red circles. We'll draw one red circle in the middle, which we're going to color in later. We're going to do the two circles on the sides. So one half circle here, and another half circle on the right. Okay, so that's Toad's head. Now we're going to do his happy face, and he's going to be like, hey, look at me. Hey, Mario. Sort of Toad wears this vest, doesn't he? He wears a vest. So what you want to do is you want to take a line down here that's kind of like a curved line, go down to there, to form part of his body.
Even when I say this in
And we'll do the opposite side.
one of the videos, actually when Bowser touched the star, he turns into green Bowser and he's got a crown.
Oh, okay. Okay, I didn't know that. Ooh.
He's got a little crown.
Okay, so the next step is we want to draw a line that goes down here, like so. And we'll do it on the opposite side, down like that. And then what we want to do, at the moment he kind of looks like a spider, and we don't want that, do we? He looks like a creepy Toad spider. What we want to do is we want to connect the bottom of these together with one line there and one line there. And then, and now he even looks like a creepier Toad with kind of funny legs. We don't want that.
Magnet legs.
Magnet legs, that's right. So what we want to do now is we want to do a line that goes down to here, like that. It's kind of a backwards L because we're going to follow that line back this way to there. So it's kind of like a frame of his vest. And we're going to do the exact same thing on this side. Come down, try and get these lines parallel so they're sort of like the same, going the same direction. And so that's that. So the next part is we're going to do the bottom of Toad's pants. And it's kind of a big U. So you come part way into here, go down like that, and around and up. So he's got a round body at the bottom. Yep.
And we're going to do the middle.
Yeah, we're going to do the middle, so we're going to do like a U like that. Yep. Cool.
Okay. Now how would I fit his legs?
I'll show you how to fit his legs. If you're running out of room, doesn't matter. We'll fit in a bit. First, we'll do his arms. So with this, he's a happy toad. He's going to have his arms out like this. Oh, God. So we want to do one line that goes up like that. We want to do a curve like a upside down U for a thumb. And then we want to do like a half circle, kind of like a boxing glove that goes in like that. And then we're going to bend in with a line here to form his arm. So that's the base of his arm. Good work, Phoenix.
Now his lines in his arm?
Yep, so we're going to do a little bit of a bump there. And he's going to have two little lines here to form his hands. We're going to do the exact opposite on this side, but watch this one. So we're going to go one arm line into there. Another bump U into there. We're going to do the hand boxing glove. And then you want to do a U, or kind of a line, not a U, into there to form his arm.
Okay, good thumbs up.
Good thumbs up.
But not yet.
Now, from the thumb, you want to do a U like that. Yep, and then we want to do the two lines to form his hands. And he's looking a very happy toad.
But now we need to do his feet.
So with his feet, they're kind of like potatoes. That's what they're shaped like, potato feet. So you want to start at the bottom here, curve around as best as you can, keep curving into like that. And we do the exact opposite on the other side. Well, there you go, you did it.
Too small.
But you know what you could do with that? Like that. Cool. So look, just because you don't have enough room at the bottom doesn't mean you can't play with it and be creative. In Phoenix's case, he thought I have to have small shoes on Toad, but I said, let's put a skateboard on there. Okay guys, there we go. We did the outline of Toad. So what do you think, Phoenix?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the next step?
Colour in.
Colour in. Oh, hey, Marley. Okay guys, there we go. We coloured in Toad. What do you think, Toad?
Ooh, good, good.
Good, Toad's happy. So like I said before guys, when Phoenix drew this one, he didn't have enough room to do the big scone potato shoes at the bottom of the page, but he did small shoes, and then I was like, well, why don't you draw Toad on a skateboard? It's kind of a cool thing to do, and it's like kind of like a little happy accident. It turned out for the best, and he's coloured in a cool purple skateboard when he's done lots of motion. So how awesome is that? Toad ended up on a skateboard. You can do whatever you want at home. It's up to you, entirely up to you. So Phoenix, what can the guys at home do?
Pause the video, subscribe.
That's right. At home, if you're falling behind, pause the video, draw what you need to do, catch up. And also you can subscribe to our channel to keep up to date on future videos that we're putting up. Hope to see you around on the next videos. So my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix and Toad.
Phoenix and Toad, and we are having fun making art. I hope to see you soon, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Let's go. Colour in.
You have to do it on the side, like.
Okay. So what